I'm Robert Bell. We're here at CommunicAsia 2013 speaking with thought leaders about key trends in the Asia-Pacific region. Here's what one of them had to say about the developments shaping our industry today and in the future.
Okay, SingTel Satellite is a global provider of satellite communications, and we try to make sure that we not only deliver just the satellite communication services, we make sure we are able to deliver end-to-end ICT solutions. And we are able to do that because we are a full service provider. We have not only do we have the satellite communications, means we also have submarine cable systems, and with that we are able to make sure we have a good end-to-end ICT delivery service quality. In terms of the customers, our customers are quite global in nature. Of course, our coverage is mainly focused in Asia Pacific and Middle East. And in terms of industry, it covers quite a wide range: transportation, logistics, finance, banking, government, NGOs. In fact, we are very fortunate because Singapore by itself is a very diverse country. We are a multicultural, multilingual, multi-religion country, and that puts us in a very good position to be able to handle the diversity demanded by the customers in Asia. In fact, myself, I speak more than 3 languages. I speak both English, Mandarin, and Japanese too. And besides that, since year 2000, besides being headquartered in Singapore, we have set up overseas offices in 36 cities in 19 countries. That way, we are able to not only able to introduce a global touch, but at the same time provide a local touch. And in each country, we have both sales, engineering, operations people that will be able to handle the local requirements better. We are fortunate that in our region, Southeast Asia is growing very well. Indochina is doing well, Middle East. Our ST2 provides that connectivity, including India, very well. So, and we are doing very well in this region. The next region that we are looking at is Africa. It is growing very fast, which is why we have our ST3 that is planned for launch end of this year to handle that region's requirement. Now, in terms of applications, the different countries are opening up the regulation for DTH, so that presents plenty of opportunity for satellite comms operator like SingTel to provide the services to them. And for remote areas, we see that increasingly many countries are trying to provide financial services like credit card, ATM services to remote areas. So that's another area that we are able to handle. In terms of maritime, we see the decline in the narrowband. Yes, that's declining, but the broadband services are picking up very fast. We see double-digit growth the last 1 year, and I see that the potential will continue for a double-digit growth for the next 2 years in the maritime broadband. High throughput satellite and KA is definitely going to be bringing about a lot of new opportunities. It will enable a lot more bandwidth at a lower cost per megabit. So we see that as a very high potential for us. In fact, we are in fact the first telco in the world to sign up to be signed up as the Inmarsat GX program, and that is based on the KA platform. Yeah, and in terms of the HD versus 4K, HD, we saw many broadcasters are already doing in HD, so there will be a lot of need for more bandwidth from the transition from SD to HD. In terms of 4K, it is very much in the trial period. We saw several trials being conducted. You may see some trials in this CommunicAsia right now, but I think it will take another 2 to 3 years before it will bring about more, as the cost of the panel becomes 4K panels becomes more cost effective for home consumers to own it. Only till then, I don't think 4K will pick up that fast. So it will be probably in the 2 to 3 years time frame. Okay, in fact, for the Inmarsat GX program, we noted, we knew there's going to be a challenge for rain fade. So what it has been designed is that we make sure that there's diversity both at the hub, at the gateway, and at the same time at the remote. So in the remote end, at the vessel's end. So at the gateway end, we have the diverse, geographically diverse gateway, so that in time when one is covered under cloud or rain, the other one can take over. And at the remote end, at the vessel's end, L-band will continue to be relevant, and it will continue to be a backup for the KA band. ...2016, so 4K, maybe top of the show here. We will see the results of the high throughput, the KA bands. And more importantly, I think there will be a lot more applications, more innovative, more interesting applications that can be enabled over the satellite that perhaps now we are not able to do so. So you will see a transition from narrowband to broadband, that a lot more applications can be run over satellite communications.